What's up, you guys? So today you're going to be learning about perpendicular lines. Last Friday we learned about parallel lines, and so let's kind of look at some examples and figure out what perpendicular lines are. So let's look at this darker red line first, and let's find out the slope. So our slope is up 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 over 4, which can be reduced to 1/2. And so let's find this other one. This pink one is actually going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, which 8 over 4 can be reduced to 2, and it's negative, so -2. Okay, so we have a 1/2 slope and a -2 slope. And I'm hoping that you're seeing that perpendicular slopes have lines that are opposite and reciprocals. Okay, so their fractions flip and their signs change. So if it's 1/2, the opposite of fraction of 1/2 would be 2 over 1. And then we change that sign, which means our reciprocal is -2. And that is what perpendicular lines are. And so let's continue looking at this, right? So the opposite of -2 is 1/2. The opposite of -2 over 3 is 3/2. So let's continue this. And so in a coordinate plane, two non-vertical lines are perpendicular, and if and only if the product of their slopes is -1. So let's kind of look at this example. This means that the slopes of perpendicular lines are opposite reciprocals or negative reciprocals, okay? And so any vertical line is perpendicular to a horizontal line. And let's kind of think about find the negative reciprocals of each slope. And so 2, -7, -1, right? So 2, flip it, change the reciprocal is -1/2. -7, change it, flip it, so 1 over 7. -1, flip it, change it, it's just going to be a +1, right? 2 over 3, flip it, change it, will be -3 over 2. -2, 6, flip it, change it, will become 6 over 2, which can be reduced to 3. I'm hoping that you're seeing and getting the idea of what's happening here. Okay, example 3. So line L1 and line L2 are neither horizontal nor vertical. Are they perpendicular? So in order to solve this, we need to first find the slope of both of these lines. So let's do this first one here, this negative line. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So -6 over 4. This other one's going to be up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so +6 over 9. So let's kind of look at this. So step 1, find the slope of each line. We're going to actually solve it in slope, or when we do the slope formula. So let's do that. And so -4 minus 2, and then 0 minus -4, -6 over 4, which can be reduced to -3 over 2. Slope of line 2 is going to be -3 minus 3, -5 minus 4. So -6, -9 can reduce -2/3. Okay, they are flipped and they have the reciprocal. Therefore, our lines are perpendicular. All right. You also might have a question like this, where it says write an equation of a line perpendicular to y equals 1/2 x plus 2 that contains the point 15, -4. So we're going to do the exact same thing we did for parallel, except for our slope is going to be changed and the sign is going to flip. So our fraction that's going to be changed to perpendicular will be 5 over 1. And because this is a positive slope, our new slope will become negative, which will be -5. Okay. And so after you have your slope, you will then use that slope, and using this point, replace x with 15, y with -4, and solve using your brand new slope that you just found to find that missing beat. Okay, so let's go on. Go ahead and give it a shot. If you have any questions, please let me know, but you can go ahead and start the activity. All right, have a great day, you guys. All right, adios. Maybe.